Odwira Akuapem Larteh Kubease adehye a mo wonkan ne mmia ne amanoni nyina mo hene okoje afna otu agemfra a otoso nsia oni oba panyin nana ya ampofo adabra a otoso bie omo frefrefem deba afiyo Odwira ewo Larteh Kubease every Monday 20th October 2025 ekoti Sunday 26th October 2025 afiyo Odwira bayede afiyo Odwira kiki Monday 20th October path clearing and cleanup exercise. Tuesday 21st October lifting of the ban on noise making na di Odwira no abefie na ya kosra nanom ewo amanfo sadana nso batakari night. Wednesday 22nd October na kai ewufo a won ewu atwam no sabre na Kubease hene na okoje afna otu ademfra sasa na hemfo ewo wonfi sabre na nso wobeye final funeral right ewo plaza no so na sadana nso all black party pap ene baby waton sene na wonso ebo ede edge so. Thursday 23rd October health screening, fibroid and breast screening na yasa free NHIS registration and renewal sadana so divisional football gala koso. Friday 24th October bringing home the holy water in Shirafiada all white party sabrana so gospel rock show ewo plaza no so. Saturday 25th October taponda kasepa ohene nana okoje afna otu agemfra tosunsia ebogwa ni Ashanti street carnival ashishe so. Sunday 26th October Thanksgiving service ahemfo ene nso na behiem ewo plaza na so. Afi Odwira ewo Larteh Kubease yase bra na bra na yena fodom bondom na yenkai amamre ni enya mane ema Odwira 2025 Odwira ewo Larteh Kubease. Media sponsors Larteh TV and Kubease TV in Pejimupele.